Tadalafil is one of the most commonly prescribed medications for erectile dysfunction today. It belongs to a class of drugs called PDE5 inhibitors, which work by improving blood flow in certain parts of the body. This effect helps men achieve and maintain an erection during sexual activity. The medicine is widely known under the brand name Cialis, and it has become very popular because of how long it lasts compared to other similar drugs. However, erectile dysfunction is not the only condition this medication is used for. Doctors sometimes prescribe Tadalafil for other medical conditions related to blood flow as well. Even though millions of people use this medicine, many still do not fully understand how it works, who should avoid it, and what side effects may occur. That is why learning the basic facts about Tadalafil is very important before starting it. In this video, we will go through 7 important facts about Tadalafil, including how it works, how long it lasts, possible side effects, and some important safety warnings that many people overlook. 1. How Tadalafil actually works. Many people think this pill magically creates an erection the moment it is taken. But the truth is a little different, and understanding this can prevent a lot of confusion. Tadalafil, the medicine behind the brand Cialis, works by affecting how blood flows inside the body. It belongs to a group of medications known as PDE5 inhibitors, which are designed to relax the muscles in blood vessel walls. When these blood vessels relax, more blood can flow into certain parts of the body. In men with erectile dysfunction, the main problem is often reduced blood flow to the penis. Tadalafil helps solve this problem by allowing blood vessels to widen. As a result, more blood can enter the erectile tissue, making it easier to achieve and maintain an erection during sexual activity. However, one important fact surprises many first-time users. The medicine does not automatically create an erection. Sexual stimulation is still necessary. Without arousal, the medication may not have the desired effect. Think of Tadalafil as a helper rather than a trigger. It improves the body's natural response, but the body still needs the signal to start the process. 2. Cialis lasts much longer than most ED medications. One of the biggest reasons Cialis became famous is its unusually long duration. Many erectile dysfunction medications only work for 4 to 6 hours. After that, their effect fades, and the body returns to normal. But Tadalafil works very differently. Once taken, it can remain active in the body for up to 36 hours. Because of this long window, some people have nicknamed it the weekend pill. The idea is simple. A man can take the medicine once, and its effects may last through an entire evening and even into the next day. This longer duration removes the pressure of perfect timing that comes with shorter-acting drugs. But there is an important detail many people misunderstand. The medication does not cause a constant erection for 36 hours. Instead, it simply keeps the body ready to respond when sexual stimulation happens. During that time, the natural process becomes easier. For many couples, this flexibility reduces stress and allows intimacy to feel more spontaneous rather than scheduled around a pill. 3. It is also used for other medical conditions. Most people associate Tadalafil only with erectile dysfunction. But the story of this medication is actually much broader than that. Doctors discovered that the same effect that improves blood flow for erections can also help with other medical conditions in the body. One important example is benign prostatic hyperplasia, commonly called an enlarged prostate. This condition affects millions of older men. It can cause frustrating urinary symptoms such as weak urine flow, difficulty starting urination, or frequent trips to the bathroom at night. Tadalafil helps by relaxing the smooth muscles in the prostate and bladder. When those muscles relax, urine can flow more easily. Another condition treated with Tadalafil is pulmonary hypertension. This is a serious disorder where blood pressure becomes dangerously high in the arteries of the lungs. By widening those blood vessels, the medication can reduce pressure and improve blood circulation. These additional uses show something important. The drug is not just about sexual performance. It works on the body's blood vessel system, which is why it can help in several different medical situations. 4. Some people should never take it. Even though Tadalafil is widely used, it is not safe for everyone. In fact, for certain people, it can be extremely dangerous. One of the most serious risks involves medications called nitrates. These drugs are commonly prescribed for chest pain and heart disease. A well-known example is nitroglycerin. Both Tadalafil and nitrate medications lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels. When they are taken together, the effect can become too strong. Blood pressure may suddenly drop to dangerously low levels. This can cause severe dizziness, fainting, or even life-threatening complications. For someone with heart disease, this combination can be especially risky. That is why doctors always ask about heart medications before prescribing Tadalafil. People who recently had a heart attack, stroke, or severe cardiovascular problems may also need to avoid it. This fact highlights an important lesson. A medication that works well for many people can still be harmful for others. That is why medical guidance is essential before starting any drug that affects the body's circulation. 5. Possible side effects. Like every medication, Cialis can cause side effects. Fortunately, most of them are mild and temporary. Still, knowing what might happen can prevent unnecessary worry for first-time users. The most commonly reported side effect is a headache. This happens because the medicine relaxes blood vessels, which slightly changes blood circulation in the head. Some people also notice facial flushing, where the skin becomes warm or slightly red. Others experience indigestion, nasal congestion, or mild back pain. Muscle aches can also appear several hours after taking the medication. These symptoms usually disappear on their own as the drug slowly leaves the body. In most cases, they last only a short time and do not require medical treatment. However, side effects can vary from person to person. Some people may feel nothing at all, while others may notice mild discomfort. Understanding these possibilities can make the experience less surprising. When used correctly and under medical advice, the majority of users tolerate Tadalafil quite well. 6. Rare but serious reactions can occur. Although serious complications are uncommon, they are important to understand. Some rare reactions have been reported with medications like Cialis, and recognizing them early can prevent permanent damage. One possible reaction is sudden vision changes. In very rare cases, users have reported partial or complete vision loss in one eye. Hearing problems have also been described, including ringing in the ears or sudden hearing reduction. While these events are unusual, they require immediate medical attention. Another serious condition is priapism. This occurs when an erection lasts longer than 4 hours and does not go away on its own. At first, it might seem harmless or even embarrassing to report. But medically, it is considered an emergency. If untreated, prolonged pressure inside the penis can damage tissue and lead to permanent erectile problems. That is why doctors always warn patients about this risk, even though it happens rarely. Awareness allows people to react quickly if something unusual occurs. 7. It should always be used responsibly. The final fact may sound simple, but it is one of the most important. Even though Tadalafil is widely available and commonly discussed, it is still a powerful prescription medication. Using it responsibly makes a huge difference in safety. Some people try to take higher doses than recommended, believing it will create stronger effects. Others combine it with alcohol or different medications without understanding the risks. These choices can increase the chance of side effects and health complications. Responsible use means following the dosage recommended by a doctor. It also means being honest about medical history, including heart conditions, blood pressure problems, or other medications being taken. When used correctly, Tadalafil has helped millions of men improve their quality of life and regain confidence. But like any medical treatment, it works best when used carefully and with proper guidance. Understanding the facts before using it is the first step towards safer and more effective results. Tadalafil, commonly known as Cialis, has helped millions of men around the world manage erectile dysfunction and improve their confidence and quality of life. Its long-lasting effect and multiple medical uses make it one of the most widely prescribed medications in this field. But like any powerful drug, it is not something that should be taken without understanding how it works. Knowing the benefits, the possible side effects, and the important safety warnings can help you avoid serious health risks. If you are considering using Tadalafil, the safest step is always to speak with a qualified healthcare professional first. With the right guidance and responsible use, this medication can be both safe and effective for the people who truly need it.